Across the tranquil Mahi River lies Kareli, a peaceful village with a powerful past. In March 1930, Gandhiji and his 78 Satyagrahis stepped onto this soil during their historic march to Dandi, igniting a revolution through simplicity. Kareli wasn't just another stop. It was a pause for deep reflection. As rumors of Gandhiji's arrest stirred tension, he remained steady in resolve, reminding all that the salt law alone was their target. Even if I am arrested before Dandi, let salt making be our united cry. Today, brought alive by Gujarat tourism, Kareli Yatri Niwas is more than a resting place. It's a living memorial of courage. Its quiet campus recently came alive with soulful devotion as Padma Shri Hemant Chauhan's bhajans celebrated 155 years of the Mahatma's birth, uniting hearts through song, just as Bapu once united a nation. From Kareli, the Satyagrahis walked onward to Anakhi, through golden fields and hopeful hearts. Their welcome was joyous. Flags fluttered, bhajans echoed, and determination deepened. Here, the villagers made a powerful vow, not to accept British aid. A fine of 5 rupees was set for any defiance. 35 new volunteers joined the journey, inspired by Gandhi's truth and simplicity. Today, Anakhi Yatri Niwas stands where history lives on, where young children paint, sing and play, embodying Gandhiji's vision of nurturing future generations. The spirit of learning and creativity flourishes here, rooted in legacy. As the sun dipped low, Gandhiji and his companions crossed the Dhadar river and reached Amod. The fading light did not dim the spirit. It shone brighter than ever. At Amod, thousands gathered. Youth leaders like Abbas Tayabji and Kamla Devi Chattopadhyay joined. 12 British appointed officials resigned. Donations poured in, including 251 rupees from local supporters. Even today, Amod Yatri Niwas reflects the same energy, where visitors find peace in simplicity and inspiration in the surroundings. It reminds us of Gandhi's message: find balance between mind, body, and mission. From Amod, the march reached Samani on a Monday, Gandhi's day of silence. Yet, the silence was filled with love. Thousands gathered, waiting in anticipation. Their quiet welcome spoke louder than words. A generous landlord offered 1,000 rupees, his way of walking beside Bapu. Today, Samani Yatri Niwas celebrates that same spirit, through bhajan evenings, folk games, and a deep sense of community. Here, unity still echoes through simplicity and song. Each stop on the Dandi path is a step into our nation's soul. Kareli, Anakhi, Amod, Samani, not just places, but proud pages from the story of India's freedom. Come, walk the path of salt and soul. Stay at the Yatri Niwas. Discover more than comfort. Discover courage. Experience the Dandi path with Gujarat Tourism.